consonant sounds. Again, these are simple sounds. And if you remember, we have two different kinds of sounds. We've got
Highest.
we've got voice. We've got voiced and we have unvoiced. So everybody put your fingers on your head. And what's the first word?
Puppy.
Puppy. Put your fingers here. Puppy. Can you feel a vibration?
Yes.
Puppy.
Just easy.
Puppy. So the paper blows.
Yes.
Puppy. But this word,
Baby.
baby. Same place. Puppy. Baby. But this time we use our voice. So puppy.
Unvoiced.
Baby.
Baby.
You can feel the vibration, it's voice. You can feel it move, but there's no vibration. Same place. Which one is unvoiced? Unvoiced. That old favourite. Teeth on the lips.
Unvoiced.
Fluffy. Priyanka? Priyanka? Hi Priyanka! Fluffy. Excellent. Fluffy. Voiced or unvoiced? Same place. Using our voice. So, Viva. Fluffy. Excellent. Viva. Very good. So, voice. Tongue through the teeth. Thing. Not ting. Thing. Excellent. Thing. This. So. Same place. Tickles your tongue. Which one is unvoiced? Unvoiced. Thing. Don't say thing. This thing. This thing. This thing. Lips. So lips, then behind your teeth, and then your throat. So mummy, nanny, think, sing, think, sing. So the sound is very nasally. Last one. Ha ha. No sound. Haha.
Short.
What's this sound?
Snake.
Shari.
Shy.
Shumon. Shumi.
Shumi.
Shy. And this sound is so. Church. Church.
Charge.
Change. Cheese. So voiced or unvoiced? This sound here?
Asia.
And this sound? Together?
G.
Judge.
Judge.
Judge. Who am I?
K.
I forgot to actually write one down. Kick.
Kite.
Yep. Tight. Kick. Cake. Cake. Google. We don't say Google. We say Google. Google. No, some people do Google. Snakes. We don't say snakes. We say snakes. Actually, that's my spelling's wrong. Zoos. Not Jews. Same place. But zoos. Snakes. Zoos. We've done these. Pleasure. Treasure.
Zia.
Asia. Lolly. Will. And this sound? Young. University. So the sound is? Yes. What's this sound?
Charge.
Good. This sound, Khaled?
Cha.
What's the word? What's the word? Thing. So what's the sound?
Ta.
Excellent. What's this sound, Falguni? Nanny. And this sound, Ruji? Mommy. Mommy. Thinking about the barbecue? Voice. Van. Viva. Fluffy. Four. Unvoiced. Feather. Asia. Deploy this side. Say the word. Shimon.
This answer.
Yeah, just like that. Like if you stand in front of the mirror and you go,
Yeah.
Monique,
Google.
what's the sound? G. 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 Remember, we've got the sound of the letter and the name of the letter. So G is the name of the letter, but the sound is G.
Asia or Asia?
Asia.
Asia. Asia.
Age, so it would be
Asia.
A.
I fail to understand it.
Asia.
Asia.
Some people say Asia, but it's Asia. Asia. So you say Asia.
Yes. We usually say Asia.
Asia. I know what you mean. I do understand what you mean. So
BASIC.
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 Any others? Was that enough?
Yes.
Okay. Right, let's watch some videos. Asia.
Hold it there.